thought I saw a train coming both ways here at Pointe Claire. So I got a via train coming westbound and this CN train eastbound here at Pointe Claire Station. It's about 5:30 p.m. on a Friday afternoon, 21st of October 2022. And look at those leaves turning red and yellow here in autumn. Looks like a grain train. It's making the railing shake here at the Pointe Claire train station. Grand Trunk, look at that. Illinois Central. Two 1970s road names. There's another Illinois Central. Well, that's the end of the train, looks like. Really a quick one. Yeah, look at that foliage changing. If you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. That's awesome.